Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at an intermediate arrangement of the iconic Paranoid by Black Sabbath. Okay, so let's kick things off by taking a look at the main riff. I'm going to play it through for you first of all. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've chosen to play all of the power chords based on power chord shapes with the root note on the A string. So we're only going to be playing on the A and the D string for all of the chords. So the riff itself, we're starting off with an E5 power chord. As I said, we're playing all the power chords on the A and the D strings. We play the E5 power chord 3 times. And then we're hammering on the D string, a whole tone hammer. And the same on the G string. Okay, so put that together. And then we do the same lick again on the D string. We're hammering on 7 to 9. But this time we play the 7 on the G and then back to the D string. So we're going... So now let's play through the main riff at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4.